Today I have this paper mache style ornament, and I'm going to start by painting it in Wise Owl, Snow Owl. My video had cut off, but then I went in with Republic Red while the paint was still wet, and I was able to get this mauve tone. Then, while everything's still wet, and this is just starting to dry a little bit, I went back in with the Snow Owl and started dabbing it all over this ball, kind of wanting a textured appearance. And then I'm going to go back in with some more Snow Owl once that mauve dried, and I do want to have that pink showing through. I found these little eggs at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint them in Snow Owl and allow them to dry. And then I'm going to take a drill and put a hole in each of the eggs, kind of favoring the fatter portion of this egg. Take a piece of jute, slip it through that hole, put a knot on one side, and a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to do this with both eggs. I found these bunny heads at the Dollar Tree. They came in a pair of 2. And I'm going to cut it a little shorter and put a hole in my round ornament and stick the head through the top. And then give it a little glue. Then I'm going to drill 2 holes, one to the right and one to the left, towards the base of the bunny, and I'm going to put these jute that have the egg hanging in those holes and give it a little hot glue. Then I'm going to take the 2 eggs at the bottom, they're his feet, and I'm going to glue them together so they hang correctly. I'm going to take this little slice of wood. You can get some of these at the Dollar Tree. Sometimes you can get them up in a pack. And I've glued my ball to that so he would sit still and not roll around. And then I put this jute around the back of his neck, glued it, and put 2 knots at either end of that piece of jute. And then I'm going to take this little heart, put some hot glue on it that I got at the Dollar Tree, and glue his hands to the heart. I think this came out really cute. It was really simple with a few items. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chocolatefancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chocolatefancy.com. Thank you so much.